Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for November 15th. We are currently looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This pair gapped down just by a little bit. It has already retraced that gap. Excuse me. We are seeing that this pair closed down on Friday. It is moving sideways with the bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially move as low as 90.87, possibly as low as 88.84. Look for some resistance around 89.70 and look for some support around 89.25. Now switching over to the Euro USD pair. This particular pair closed up on Friday, did form an inside bar, so look for the breakout. We are looking, we did see this pair gap by about 2 pips, not very much at all. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with the bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially move as high as 1.5008 and possibly as low as 147.59. Look for some resistance around 150.25 and look for some support around 148.10. Okay, now looking at the pound US dollar pair. This particular pair gapped up just by a little bit. It is moving sideways. Did close up on Friday. Bias is definitely sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 167.95, possibly as low as 164.75. Look for some resistance around 167.60 and look for some support around 165.00. Now looking at the US Swiss. This pair closed down, formed an inside bar, so make sure and look for the breakout. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with the bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 1.0239, possibly as low as 1.0046. Look for some resistance around 1.0126 and look for some support around 1.0075. Now, as far as news announcements goes, we do have the U.S. releasing their advanced retail sales for October tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that things have improved from negative 1.5% to 0.9%, heading into positive numbers, which could be good for the U.S. dollar. If it comes out better than 0.9%, definitely look for a rally in the U.S. dollar. Now, we are looking for, as far as what I'm looking for, if you take a look at the US Japanese yen pair, this particular pair, let me zoom out a little bit. This particular pair has formed, if you draw your trend line, I know it's not exactly straight, but we have hit the upper limit of it. If this pair continues to move lower, we have some areas, breakouts, some lows support during this session and during this session. If we get a break below that, I could definitely see it heading down, basically down back to 88.35 area. So definitely look for that to occur over the next session as this market is consolidating down, and I do believe we have a bias to the downside. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.